Good morning. Welcome to our Foundation Stage and Key Stage 1 Celebration Assembly. I hope you're great today and had a really good morning so far. I love seeing you last week all dressed up as your superheroes, wearing your mask. I hope you had a really good day. I've also seen one class dressed up today, so they weren't here last Friday. So I hope you have a super day as well. But remember, even when you're not dressed as superheroes, you're superheroes every day. Okay, with lots and lots of special powers like perseverance, aspiration, respect, and teamwork, to name a few. So keep working hard and keep showing your superpowers. Okay, so we'll think about our attendance winners now, and we'll start with attendance for Foundation Stage. So, right, I need to find attendance Ted and punctuality Pup. They're not over there. Has anyone seen attendance Ted or Pup anywhere? Can you find them anywhere? What's that? I can't. Ted, Pup, where are you? What's that? They're behind me. Right, let me have a look. They're not up there. Where have they gone? Pup, Ted, I thought you said they were up there. Can anyone see them again? Where are they? What? Behind me there again? No, they're not. I just looked. Ah, Pup and Ted. There you are. Right, we're all set for attendance Ted and punctuality Pup winners. So let's have a look to see who our winners are this week. We have attendance winners in Foundation Stage are Class RC. Wow! Well done, Class RC, with 99% attendance. Well done to you. And our punctuality winners this week, with everyone turning up on time without anyone being late, are the children in nursery and Class RD. Fantastic! Well done to you. Now we're going to start our Learners of the Week. Oh, in Foundation Stage, in Rainbow Class, your Learner of the Week is Charlie for fantastic matching of objects to numerals 1 to 5. Well done to you, Charlie. In Alien Class, we have Oliver for joining in with new activities with a smile on his face. Super work there, Oliver. Good job. And in Dragon Class, we have Arthur for working really hard this week and trying his best. Well done, Arthur. Good job. Keep up the good work. In Pirate Class, your Learner of the Week is Wade for fantastic reading. Well done to you, Wade. Thumbs up. Good job. And in Dinosaur Class, your Learner of the Week is Annalie for fantastic effort in all areas of learning this week. Well done, Annalie. Keep up the good work. So we'll move on now to our attendance winners for Key Stage 1. And this week, the class with the best attendance is Class 1A. Wow, well done, Class 1A. You had 99% attendance this week. Keep up the good work. And I'm sure next week, another class in Key Stage 1 can try to get even better attendance by being at school on time. Well done. And our punctuality winners for this week are classes 1A, 1B, 1D, and 2A and 2B. Well done to all of you. Every child in those classes were on time for school, ready to do their learning. Well done to all of you. Okay, we'll move on now to our Key Stage 1 winners. In Class 1A, you have Bentley as your Learner of the Week for working really well with all of his phonics. Well done, Bentley. Your phonics are really important to help you reading and with your writing. So keep up the good work. In Class 1B, your Learner of the Week is Dylan for making a superb effort with his phonics and reading this week. Another one there. Well done, Dylan. In Class 1C, we have Diane as your Learner of the Week for her excellent work over Zoom this week. Well done to all of you in Class 1C for working really hard with your remote learning. Well done, but especially Diane for excellent work in those Zoom lessons. In class 1D, we have Jack for making a great effort with his phonics this week as well. Wow, we're at year 1. You've been doing some really good work with phonics this week. Good job, keep it up. In class 2A, your learner of the week is Matilda for her super effort and attitude to learning this week. Well done to you. In 2B, we have Holly for showing brilliant aspiration in all her learning this week. Well done, Holly, one of our really important part school values. In class 2C, your learner of the week is Lucas for his super writing about nighttime jobs. Well done, Lucas. And again, well done to all of you in class 2C who've been working really hard at home this week. And finally, our class 2D learner of the week. It's not one person, not two, but the whole of class 2D for being an amazing class, always aspiring to do their best and having amazing smiles. Well done to all of you in class 2D. And what a great way to finish off our learners of the week for foundation stage and for key stage 1. We also have our winners club, and we're looked at this week for the class for becoming the most successful readers, so reading the most minutes at home on that Wednesday. And this week our Busters winners are class 1B. Well done, class 1B. Excellent reading there this week, and I know lots of you have been doing lots of reading. It's really important to get stuck into your favourite book. Read it to your adults at home or brothers and sisters that you might have, and really enjoy spending that time in a good book. That brings us to the end of our celebration assembly. Well done to all of you who have won Learner of the Week this week. Some really fantastic achievements there. Again, to everyone else, keep working hard, trying your best, and do all those things that you need to do to get even better. Right, I look forward to seeing you all next week. Learning hard is really nice to see that the sun's coming out, so keep up the good work. Bye!